English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills.
Watch this video till to the end to improve your English fast.
Now we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started. Part 1, English listening practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Don't beat around the bush, Leonard.
Look, I'm not going to beat around the bush.
Beat around the bush. Hey, Jack, did you talk to the boss about taking Friday off?
Well, not yet.
Why not? What's the problem?
I tried, but he was busy.
Jack, don't beat around the bush. Are you scared to ask him?
Okay, maybe a little. He seemed in a bad mood today.
Just be polite and explain why you need the day off. He'll understand.
You're right. I'll talk to him after lunch.
Good. Don't wait too long.
Thanks, Emma. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future. Part 2, Learn vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
Don't beat around the bush. Don't avoid talking about something directly. Speak honestly and clearly.
And beating around the bush.
Bess, let's not beat around the bush. Brad.
Look, let's not beat around the bush.
Right, I'm not going to beat around the bush.
Wow, okay, don't beat around the bush.
Example, stop beating around the bush and tell me what happened. In a bad mood. Feeling unhappy, upset, or angry.
I'm in a really bad mood.
I'm in a really bad mood.
Are you in a bad mood?
I was in a bad mood.
I'm just in a bad mood. I'm not in a bad mood.
Or just in a bad mood.
She's probably in a bad mood.
Example, she didn't say hello because she was in a bad mood. Day off. A day when you do not have to work or go to school.
Day off.
It's my day off.
It was my day off.
It's your day off.
My day off.
Example, I need a day off to visit my family.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Hey Jack, did you talk to the boss about taking Friday off?
Did Emma ask Jack if he talked to his girlfriend? No, she didn't ask Jack if he talked to his girlfriend. Who did Emma ask Jack if he talked to? She asked him if he talked to the boss about taking Friday off. Well, not yet.
Why not? What's the problem?
Did Jack talk to the boss? No, he didn't. He didn't talk to the boss yet. Did Emma ask Jack why he didn't talk to the boss? Yes, she did. She asked him what the problem was. I tried, but he was busy. Did Jack try to talk to the boss? Yes, he did. He tried to talk to him, but the boss was busy. Why didn't Jack talk to the boss? Because the boss was busy.
Jack, don't beat around the bush. Are you scared to ask him?
Did Emma think Jack was scared to ask the boss? Yes, she did. She asked if Jack was scared to ask him. Okay, maybe a little. He seemed in a bad mood today. Was Jack scared to ask the boss? Yes, he was. He admitted that he was a little scared. Why was Jack scared to ask the boss? Because the boss seemed in a bad mood. Did the boss seem in a good mood? No, the boss didn't seem in a good mood. What mood did the boss seem in today? In a bad mood. The boss seemed in a bad mood today.
Just be polite and explain why you need the day off. He'll understand.
Did Emma tell Jack to be rude? No, she didn't. She didn't tell him to be rude. How did Emma tell Jack to be? She told Jack to be polite. Did Emma tell Jack to explain why he needed the day off? Yes, she did. She told him to be polite and explain why. Did Jack need money? No, he didn't need money. Was Jack going to ask the boss for a promotion? No, he wasn't going to ask the boss for a promotion. What did Jack need? He needed a day off. Did Emma think the boss would understand? Yes, she did. She said the boss would understand. You're right, I'll talk to him after lunch. Did Jack say he would talk to the boss before lunch? No, he didn't say he would talk to him before lunch. When did Jack say he would talk to the boss? After lunch. He said he'd talk to the boss after lunch.
Good. Don't wait too long.
Thanks, Emma. Did Emma encourage Jack to talk to the boss soon? Yes, she did. She told him not to wait too long. Did Jack thank Emma for her advice? Yes, he did. He thanked her. Who did Emma tell Jack to talk to? The boss. She told him to talk to the boss. Was the boss in a good mood today? No, he wasn't. He seemed in a bad mood. Did Emma help Jack feel more confident? Yes, she did. She encouraged him to talk to the boss. Part 4. Shadowing Practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hey, Jack, did you talk to the boss about taking Friday off? Why not? What's the problem? Jack, don't beat around the bush. Are you scared to ask him? Just be polite and explain why you need the day off. He'll understand. Good. Don't wait too long.
Well, not yet. I tried, but he was busy. Okay, maybe a little. He seemed in a bad mood today. You're right, I'll talk to him after lunch. Thanks, Emma. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.